My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Gaqq. This Gaqq is the ransomware that is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Well, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Gaqq ransomware from the DJVU family may be really easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this particular Gaqq ransomware. So users may restart their computers, and then suddenly they would realize that their files are no longer accessible, and this ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. By the way, this ransomware is called Gaqq because it encrypts files and appends this Gaqq extension additionally to the file name. So it's not possible to use the files anymore, indeed. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you see this message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Gaqq additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, then click on Start Scan button. The software will be initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. I want to warn you that this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files though, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, which will help you to protect your data from further ransomware attacks.